Hi, so a lot of people have been asking me about Google Analytics 4 and the change from the existing Universal Analytics to GA4. Um, in short, from the 1st of July 2023, the way that they collect data is changing. You need to install the new tag onto your website, but this is really just how to set it up and how to get the tag. I can do a later video to show you, depending on what platform you're using, how to add it on the site. So you go to create a property, you have a GA4 setup assistant, and then you can have this thing here that says go to your GA4 property. When you log into Analytics, there's lots of prompts, there's banners everywhere, so you can see here it says complete setup. It's always in red, always at the top. They're making it very, very visible, and they've got this process that you follow. So this is for a basic website. If you've got ads and very complicated goals and conversions, come back to me. I'll do more of an in-depth walkthrough, but this is really kind of the bare bones. So collect website and app data, click on the arrow, manage data streams. You then select the one, you then get this measurement ID here. That's what you'd be adding onto your website. So you take that, you put it into Wix, Squarespace, WordPress in the SEO plugin, you click connect, and then it's going to come up. So that will be done. If you're not sure, let me know and I can show you how to get to the relevant platform. Once you've done that, you have to manually mark as complete. Then signals. So this is more about ad personalization. So if you're very adverse to collecting data, you can turn this off. If you are looking to do ads in the future, or you kind of want to learn more about how it works, click on this arrow, manage Google Signals, and this explains what Signals is. It allows you granular data across the entire world. I think it's 300 and something countries, 307 countries. Advanced settings. So this is the process. You acknowledge that you are collecting data. Then again, you have to go back and you have to manually select that it's been done. Then set up conversions. So a conversion is when someone goes onto your website and they fill out a form, or they buy from you, or they subscribe to your mailing list. You can set up kind of goals and conversions based on what you're looking for your business. So here I've got purchase. We can go into another one on how to set up a new one, but yeah, you can name an event like subscribe or check out, and then it will, every time someone does that, it will pull that data in analytics for you, so you can see how many sales you've got or how many leads. Once that's done, again you click at mark as complete. Then you want to think about your audiences. So this is whether you've got partners, customers, potential leads. You can kind of break it down into groups, so that when you are doing any targeting and when you're looking at your data, you can really see like how many key partners, how many suppliers, how many visitors are going to your website. You can import these from Universal Analytics, so it keeps it nice and easy, brings it across. You can manage them, and then when you're finished, you click mark as complete. It is a manual check, so what I'd say is just spend a little bit of time to make sure you're happy. If you're not sure, get someone else to review it for you. I'm offering a free kind of 20-minute review. So yeah, if you're really not sure you've done it completely, just drop me an email, we can have a look together. Then if you're running Google Ads, you can link it to your Google Ads. So Google Ads, it can be very powerful, but I have to put a caveat that it can become quite expensive quickly. So if you are going to do Google Ads, really make sure you've done all of your organic traffic first, all of your social media, Google business listings, everything else, and then think carefully before you get into Google Ads. Once that's done, obviously mark as complete. And then obviously for these ones, these are much more kind of e-commerce driven. If you think it's relevant, obviously have a look here, find out if you want to bid on GA4 conversions. In this instance, I don't want to, so I'm going to go back. Because I'm not going to touch it, I'm going to do mark as complete. and the same for target ads to GA4 conversions. At this point, you can import large amounts of data if you have it. Most small businesses won't really be looking at this area, so I'll just leave that bit for now. I think the key areas are the first 4. Everyone should do, and then if you're looking at ads, you do these 3 here, and if you're a larger business with big data, you go below. You will get repeated emails from Google. You're going to get lots of banners and notifications. It's quite normal. But yeah, it's just, I wanted to demystify what was going on and then give people a chance to opt in before the 1st of July. I do really want to make it quite transparent that if you don't make the change by 1st of July, any data, any traffic, any leads after the 1st of July won't be tracked. And what you can do from that date is import all of your old data. So at the moment you can't, but say I'll probably wait till the maybe 2nd week in July. Then you can migrate all of your old data across and have it all in one place. If you do want a full walkthrough of analytics, or you want help getting your GA4 set up, or anything else around Google Search Console, please don't hesitate to get in touch. My website, if you don't know it, is theoruby.com. And I offer kind of a range of web design, hosting, maintenance and SEO packages. I'm also doing a lot more now on training. So yeah, if there's something that you're not quite sure about and you want to have a look first, I've got a range of bite-sized marketing guides on kind of all areas of small business marketing and web design. All right. Thank you, and I hope this has been helpful.